Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today we are tackling a persistent issue in Valorant where the game refuses to launch, displaying the DLLs runtime error. This specific error message states that the following components are required to run this program: DLLs runtime. We at Teknobalta analyzed this case involving a system with a GTX 1660 Super running on Windows 10. Even after installing the 2010 DLLs version and various Visual C++ packages, the error often persists. The root cause is usually not a missing file, but a corrupted or mismatched DLL file within the system folders. When Valorant attempts to call these libraries, the mismatch triggers a failure, leading the engine to believe the runtime is missing entirely. While some users resort to a full system format, we at Teknobalta have a precise surgical method to fix this without losing your data. Phase 1. Preparation and pre-checks. Before we touch the system files, ensure your GPU drivers are fully updated. For a GTX 1660 Super, use the official NVIDIA website to download the latest game-ready driver. Now, let's move to the main solution path. We need to manually purge the corrupted DLL files that are blocking the installation. Navigate to C drive, then the Windows folder, and open the System32 directory. We need to locate and delete 4 specific files. The first one is msvcp140.dll. The second file is vcruntime140.dll. These are part of the Visual C++ runtimes. Next, find xinput1_3.dll. This is a crucial DLLs input component. Finally, locate x3daudio1_7.dll. This handles the spatial audio processing for the Unreal Engine. Once these 4 files are deleted, your system will be forced to accept a clean, fresh installation of the runtimes. Now, we need the right installers. Do not just download random versions. We recommend the Visual C++ all-in-one package. This package, available on Tech PowerUp, contains every version from 2005 to 2022 in a single batch script. Run the install_all.bat file as an administrator to ensure all registry keys are correctly written. After the Visual C++ installation finishes, we must repair the DLLs environment. Download the DLLs end-user runtime web installer from the official Microsoft website. This installer will scan your System32 and syswow64 folders and replace the missing DLL files we deleted earlier. If the web installer says a newer version is already installed, you may need the DLLs June 2010 redistributable package instead. Extract the June 2010 files to a folder and run dxsetup.exe to perform a deep overwrite of the legacy components. Now, let's look at alternative methods if the error persists. We need to verify the integrity of your Windows image. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. We will run a series of repair commands. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This checks for corrupted system files. Next, we use the Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool, also known as DISM. Enter the command DISM/online/cleanupimage//restore health. This command connects to Windows Update to download clean copies of corrupted system files. For Valorant specifically, Riot Games recommends checking the boot configuration data. Run the command vcdedit /set signing off. This ensures your Windows is not in a mode that Vanguard blocks. Also, run vcdedit /set no integrity checks off. This re-enables vital security signatures required by the game. After running these commands, a full system restart is mandatory to apply the changes to the kernel. Let's discuss advanced optimization. Sometimes the Riot Vanguard service itself causes a false DIRECTX trigger. Uninstall Riot Vanguard from your Apps and Features menu, then launch Valorant to force a clean reinstallation of the anti-cheat. Ensure that your Windows 10 is updated to at least version 22H2. Older builds lack the necessary scheduling for modern DIRECTX calls. If you have tried everything and the error still appears, the issue might be a registry corruption that only a format can fix. However, by following our manual DLL purge and the all-in-one runtimes method, 99% of users will resolve this without a format. To summarize, delete the corrupted DLLs, install the all-in-one VCREDIST, and run the DIRECTX web setup. This technical approach ensures that the game engine finds exactly what it needs in the system folders. We at Teknobalta are committed to providing the most efficient troubleshooting steps for your gaming experience. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more professional hardware and software solutions. If this video helped you get back into the game, hit the like button and share your results in the comments. Stay technical, and we will see you in the next analysis. Goodbye. Bye.